Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Unreal's default third-person character with your own metahuman or the metahuman you want. It's very easy, just follow my steps. So first we need to import our metahuman. Go to Window, here Quixel Bridge. Come to here to your local, the metahumans you have downloaded. I'm going to import my metahuman. And now I'm going to open my content drawer by pressing Ctrl Space. Now I'm going to Metahumans, my metahuman folder, and I'm going to open the blueprint class. So here, as you can see, there are some windows popped off saying missing plugins, and you're just going to enable missings. After that, you need to restart your project. Well, everything is fine. I'm going to open my content drawer again, and here I'm going to go Metahumans and my metahuman, and here I'm going to take again my blueprint class. Okay, I'm going to attach my blueprint to here to have a better workflow, also details. Next step, I'm going to third person blueprints, and here I'm going to make a child of it so we don't edit the main blueprint class. I'm going to make a child of it, and I'm going to name it my metahuman Aiden. I'm going to open it, and here we are. Next step, we are going to the human blueprint, and here we are going to select everything from body till the details we want in the face. Right click and copy. And here, just come here in the mesh and copy and paste. But if it is not aligned with the mesh or it's not under mesh, what you're going to do is not to drag it right from here. You need to just come here, just select the body and drag and drop it here. Like so. Next step, we are going to zero the rotation and location. So it's as easy as clicking these buttons. Next step, we are going to add animation to our metahuman. So in the anim class, under animation, we are going to click here and type ABP. And here we are going to choose ABP metahuman and etc. retarget. Now we are almost done. Next, we are going to just click on mesh, and here I'm going to type for visibility, and I'm going to come here and set this always tick pose and refresh bones. And here I'm going to disable visibility of my third person mesh. Now we can play as our metahuman. Interesting. Oh, okay. So after doing this, we need to come here in world settings, and in the game mode section, we need to come in selected game mode, and here as default pound class, we need to choose our child. And now we should be able to play with our metahuman. So we successfully replace our third person with metahuman. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.